friends. Happy day. It's math time again. We're on lesson 17. We are starting a new topic today. So the things we have learned in the past lessons are going to help us transition into the new lessons. So let's look at what we are going to be able to do today. I can understand the meaning of the equal sign. So let's get our brains working this morning, do a little fluency, and let's see here. Oh, wrong thing. I got to click on this one here. I almost clicked on the wrong thing, guys. All right, let's see what our fluency looks like today. You have a number dash. My friend Dash is back. You're going to go to your Google Classroom. You are going to go find your number dash. It is listed as Module 1 or M1 L17 Fluency, but if you will notice, and you might notice at the bottom, it's probably going to be like Lesson 6 Fluency. That's okay. It's the same thing you did in Lesson 6. We're just practicing to get faster and faster and faster, okay? The whole point of doing these is to get your brains faster. So we know how to make 7. You know how to find the missing parts. It's mystery numbers. We've been doing mystery numbers. We got this. So set your timer for 2 minutes. Any as you can in the 2 minutes. Turn them into me. Come back here and let's do our application problem. So when you're done with your fluency, get your board ready. Make sure you have everything you need so we can do our application problem, okay? Come back and see me in 2 minutes. All right, guys, welcome back. You should be done with your fluency. You should have your whiteboard ready to go so we can do our application problem today. So get your detective hats on and let us get ready so we can solve to find out what we need to know. We're going to read through it first because we need to know how to solve it before we can solve it. So let's read through the whole thing first, then we'll break it down to find our important information. Here we go. There are 10 swings on the playground and 7 students are using the swings. How many swings are empty? Draw or write a number sentence to show your thinking. Use a sentence at the end to answer today's question. How many swings are empty? Now I'm going to underline today's question because that is what we're trying to find the answer to. Now it did tell me I need to draw or write a number sentence, but because I'm doing it with you guys, I'm going to do both. So I'm going to come over here and make a blank number sentence. So I have some room to draw. So in order to draw, I need to know how many of each thing I need. So let's look back with our detectives skills and find out our important information. There are 10 swings on the playground. Does that give me information I can use? Absolutely, it tells me there are 10 swings. So I'm going to draw 10 swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 swings. Okay, let's keep reading. 7 students are using the swings. Does that tell me anything? Yes, it does. It tells me that there are 7 students swinging. So here's my 10 swings. I'm going to put 7 of them in color in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7 that are being used. How many swings are empty? So how many swings did I not have anybody in? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many did not have anybody in the swing? So now we need to go in and fill our number sentence out. How many swings did I have all together or total? I had 10. How many people were in my swings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many were not in swings? 1, 2, 3. Now, are we done? No, because remember it says use a sentence at the end to answer today's question. Here's today's question. How many swings are empty? We knew that there were 3 swings were empty. So now I wrote out a sentence. 3 swings were empty. Now we are complete. We drew a picture. We even wrote another sentence because it said we could do either one, draw or write, but I did both. And then we had our sentence to show the answer to today's question. 3 swings were empty. How many swings were empty? 3 swings were empty. So good job today, guys. Erase your boards because you will need them when we work with Miss Curry today. So make sure you erase your boards, have it nice and clean and ready to go. And I'm going to get myself ready too. Okay, friends, let's join Miss Curry today for our lesson and see what we're going to do. Hold on, guys. I forgot to hit share. Here we go. All right, now let's join Miss Curry for our lesson and see what we're going to learn today.
Hi friends, I'm Mrs. Curry, and this is Module 1, Lesson 17. Today we're going to learn more about what the equal sign means, and we'll write true number sentences. What does that mean? I want you to think about it during our lesson, and at the end, I'm going to ask you, what does the equal sign mean? On the screen to my left are the materials you'll need for this lesson: red and yellow linking cubes. Push pause to gather the materials, and I'll be right here waiting when you get back.
Okay, you do not have the red and yellow linking cubes. Today, I'm actually going to use yellow and green linking cubes because I couldn't find my red. I will use the linking cubes for you guys today, but you are going to be writing the problems on your board. So when she wants you to write a problem, you're going to write it on your whiteboard. I'll make the linking cubes, make the whiteboard, okay? Let's go.
Let's play a game called Make It Equal. In a moment, some cubes will appear on the screen, and I want you to make your cubes look just like those cubes. I'm going to look away though, so I don't see what you have. Pause the video if you need extra time to make your cubes look just like this.
Backwards.
Okay, now I'm going to prepare some cubes behind my back. Okay, on the count of 3, let's show each other our cube sticks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. On your whiteboard, write the expression that shows how many cubes you have, and I'm going to write down the expression that shows how many cubes I have.
Okay, so I'm going to pause for a second, and I want to zoom in on our cubes so you can see it too. And let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green cubes and 1 yellow cube. So we're going to write an expression on our board. Remember, an expression does not have an equal sign for it. So I'm going to say I had 4 green cubes and 1 yellow cube.
Let's show our linking cubes again. Ready? Hold them up. I'm going to give you a few moments to think about how yours are different from mine and also how they're the same. Then I will signal for you to tell me, but for now, I just want you to think.
So let's look. She's got her linking cubes. How many red linking cubes does she have? Let's write that down. She has 3. Make sure I have room here. 3 red linking cubes and how many yellow? 2. So let's look at that. She said, how are ours the same and how are they different? So let's look at these again. How are mine the same as hers? I do have yellow linking cubes just like she does, but that's not what I'm looking for. What about the fact that there's 5 linking cubes on both of ours? 4, 5. She's got 3, 4, 5. We both have 5, but they're different. I only have 1 yellow linking cube, and she's got 2 yellow linking cubes.
Tell me how they are different.
Remember we said that I had 1 yellow linking cube and she had 2 yellow linking cubes?
And now tell me, how are they the same?
We both had 5.
I'm going to show a picture of your cubes on the left and my cubes on the right. You have 4 red and 1 yellow cube. I have 3 red and 2 yellow cubes. So even though we have different parts, do we have the same total?
Mm-hmm. Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. On my signal, say the expression you wrote for your cubes.
Say 4 and 1.
4 plus 1. I'm going to show you the expression I wrote. 3 plus 2. How many cubes do you have on the left side?
We had 4, 5.
5 cubes. How many cubes do I have on the right side?
3, 4, 5.
Also 5 cubes. Does 5 equal 5? It sure does. So then does 4 plus 1 equal 3 plus 2?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. Let's say the number sentence starting with 4 plus 1.
4
4 plus 1
equals 3 plus 2.
This is called a true number sentence because 4 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 2. Now I'm going to show you some cubes, and you will write the expression on your whiteboards. Ready? Write the expression.
Okay, so let's look at that one. How many red cubes do I have? 3. How many yellow cubes do I have? 3.
What expression did you write?
3 plus 3.
3 plus 3. Now I will show you more cubes, and you will write the expression to match.
Okay, I'm going to pause it. Let's count them. How many red cubes do I have? 1. How many yellow cubes did I have? 5.
What expression did you write?
1 plus 5.
1 plus 5. Are these expressions equal to each other?
Let's see. 3
Yes,
plus 3 is?
because we know that
6.
3 plus 3
1
equals
plus 5 is
6.
6.
And 1 plus 5 equals 6. So if 6 equals 6, we know that 3 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 5. Let's do another. Write the expression to match these cubes.
All right, let's look at this one. How many red cubes? 3. Yellow cubes? 5.
Say the expression.
3 plus 5.
3 plus 5. Now write the expression to match these cubes.
Okay, let's look at that. How many red do we have? 4. How many yellow? 2.
Say the expression.
4 plus 2.
4 plus 2. Is 3 plus 5 equal to 4 plus 2?
3 plus
I'm going to
5
give you a
is
moment to figure it out.
8. 4 plus 2 more is 6. Are these equal? No.
Okay. Is 3 plus 5 equal to 4 plus 2?
No.
3 plus 5 equals 8, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. So if 8 does not equal 6, then 3 plus 5 does not equal 4 plus 2. This is not a true number sentence. I'm going to show you some more cubes, and you write the expression that matches on your whiteboard.
Okay, let's write that one down. How many red do I have? 6. How many yellow cubes did I
What
have?
expression did you write?
2.
6 plus 2. Use your linking cubes to make another stick show the same total, but with different parts. Do that now.
All right, so let's pause for a second and let's make up one. Let's do this one. How many green cubes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many yellow cubes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do 4 plus 4.
Now write the expression that matches your stick.
We had 4 plus 4. 6, 7, 8. 4 and 4 we know.
Write a true number sentence with both expressions that you wrote. I will wait while you do that now.
So we have 6 plus 2 equals 8, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 4 plus 4.
Nice job. Be sure to check in with a grown-up so they can check your work. This lesson was very interesting because it's the first time we've seen a number sentence with an expression on both sides of the equal sign. Oftentimes, we see something like this. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Or 9 minus 2 equals 7. But today, we saw that 3 plus 2 equals 4 plus 1. So, what does the equal sign really mean?
That it's the same on both sides.
Yes, it means the expressions on both sides of the equal sign are equal to each other. So, let's put our thinking caps on. Is this a true number sentence?
Ooh, let's look at that. Is 1 plus 3 the same as 5 minus 1? Let's see. What is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 is 4. What's 5 minus 1? So if I have 5 and I take 1 away, what do I left with? 4. Is that a true equal? Yes, because 3 plus 1 is the same as 5 minus 1. It's 4.
It is a true number sentence because 1 plus 3 is equal to 5 minus 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 5 minus 1 also equals 4. It's time now to do the problem set. Your must-do problems are 1, 2, 3, and 5. Do your best thinking for 10 minutes and ask a grown-up to help you keep time. Kiss your brain. We really stretched our thinking today. See you next time.
Okay, let's get our screen back up here so we can go over our problem set. There we go. I'm going to zoom out so you can see it. All right, let's look at this. Write an expression that matches the group on each plate. If the plate has the same amount of fruit, write the equal sign between the expression. So let's look at number 1. How many apples do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 apples. How many oranges do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go over here. How many apples do I have here? 1, 2. How many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are these equal to each other? If I don't know what 3 plus 4 is, I can count my apples and oranges together to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I have 7 here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Or I could count on using 5, 6, 7, or 4, 6, 7, or 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that they both have 7 and they are equal. Okay, same thing down here. You're going to count how many oranges, how many lemons, how many oranges, how many lemons, and you're going to decide, is it equal? If it's not equal, you can leave it blank, or you could even say something like this. Okay, you choose. If it's equal, write your equal sign. All right, well, let's look at number 5 real quick. Because number 5 looks a little different. Write an expression to match each domino. Now remember, our expressions do not have equal signs. So how many dots are on this side of my domino? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3. So my expression say 4 plus 3. You are going to complete A, B, C, D, E, and F. And let's do G also. So all of number 5, okay? Be careful because it says down here, 2 sets of expressions from A through F that are equal. Connect them below with an equal sign to make a true number sentence, okay? So go work on your problem set. You're doing 1, 2, 3, 5, A through G, and the exit ticket. Once you finish the exit ticket and the problem set, then you can come back and we'll debrief, okay? All right, guys, we've learned lots of stuff today, but the main thing we've been talking about is that equal sign. What is an equal sign? What does it mean to have an equal sign? Remember, when you have an equal sign, it means that what you have on one side of the equal sign and what you have on the other side of the equal sign makes the same thing. So if I had 2 plus 3 equals 5, 2 and 3 add together make 5, and then I have a 5, it equals out. If I had 1 plus 3 equals 4 on one side and 2 plus 2 equals 4 on the other side, it's still equal. It's the same amount. Okay, so our equal sign shows that it is the same amount on both sides. So remember, when you have your equal sign, you got to make sure it equals the same thing. Okay, I'll see you guys on lesson 18. Bye.